Hey there, BrewTubers! You might have been wondering why have I taken so long to post a new video, and it's because I have been moving places. I finally got my own house, so this is mine, and well, it's all a mess right now. We haven't completely settled in the house, as you can imagine. We're moving ourselves, all of the stuff. But let me show you the upper floor. That's the good old drum set. As you can see, it's not even set up properly. All the other instruments. I got a nice billiard table, some space for work, and here on the terrace, well, look at the view. It's beautiful. It's really, really beautiful. Here is the laundry room, so to call it. And I guess this is where I'll be brewing tonight. Mostly because of the convenience of this thing to chill down wort once it's done. The rest of the house I'm not going to show it to you because, as I said, it's all really, really messy. It's a beautiful place. I'm really happy to finally have bought my own place. So yeah, quick tour here. And living room here. Some stuff. Tiny rear garden for some nice barbecues. And one of the coolest places of this house is the basement. It's got a nice basement. I guess that'll be the man cave where I'll be taste testing the future brews. And I also have some pending taste tests, so I guess that's where that will take place. So stay tuned. Alright, so I finally didn't brew last night. I'm brewing today. It's the morning. And I'm gonna walk you through the ingredients we'll be using. Here I've got already the grains. It's only 3 types of malt. We got 2 kilos, 580 grams of Maris Otter, 1.5 kilos of Vienna, and 100 grams of CaraPils. Simple as that. Now, as for the hops, and here I've got a lot of them. It's 15 grams of Mandarina Bavaria, 60 minutes, 20 grams of Mandarina Bavaria, 10 minutes, along with 15 grams of Paciffic Jade and 10 grams of brew, all of them at 10 minutes. Then 20 grams of Mandarina Bavaria at 1 minute, obviously protafloc at 15 minutes, and then I'm gonna dry hop it with 45 grams of Mandarina Bavaria again for 5 days after fermentation is complete. And I'll be drinking a pint of my very good and treasured vanilla espresso stout. I'll be back. Alright, so the mash schedule is quite simple. It's 50 degrees for 15 minutes, 66 degrees for 45 minutes, 77 degrees for 15 minutes. Alright, first hop addition already in. I'm not recording a lot because it's very windy. It might affect the quality of the sound. But it's 15 grams of Mandarina Bavaria. It's looking good. Not a very rolling boil, but it's doing its thing. And well, I guess I'll be back in the 15 minutes for the protafloc addition and then the remaining part of the hops. Okay, I already added the protafloc tablet 15 minutes before the end of the boil. Now it's 10 minutes before the end of the boil. Time to add 20 grams of Mandarina Bavaria, oh god, 10 grams of Bravo, and 15 grams of Paciffic Jade. And here we go. Alright. Everything's in, and well, now it's just one more hop addition at 1 minute before the end of the boil. Things are looking really, really good. Things are smelling really, really good. So hopefully this will be another great, great beer. I'll be back for the last minute and the last hop addition. Last minute of the boil, time to add 20 grams of Mandarina Bavaria and 11 grams of Mosaic. And in they go. Alright. So, this is it for the brewing day. I'll be cooling down the wort and all that. I'll be pitching the yeast. Probably I'll record the pitching because it's one of my very favorite yeasts. And here we are. Finally, we got 17 liters of wort, well oxygenated. And here's our Liberty Bell. And here we go. Ooh. So, that's it for this time. I'll see you in the taste test. If you like what you see, like, and don't forget to subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching. Cheers and fantastic beer.